Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm checking out Grandpa Mac in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Grandpa Mac has a massive menu, which I'll show you right here, and all of their items have my favorite food as the base. Mac and cheese, baby! What did I get? I got the Mother Clucking Bacon Ranch. The ingredients are shell pasta, cheese sauce, chicken, bacon, spinach, basil, mozzarella, yellow cheddar, red pepper flakes, topped with ranch dressing. I asked him to hold the spinach because I'm basic. It's very hot. They come in small, medium, and large. This is a medium. Let's try it out. Look at that. It's hot. Oh my God. It's good. Wow. Wow. Wow, this cheese is thick. The chicken is so tender. I taste the ranch. Ranch goes so well with chicken. Oh. All the cheese. Oh my God, look at that. It's so good. See the steam coming off of it? Wow. Wow. I love the vibe in here. They've got a merch area. You can buy hoodies, t-shirts, and all that. Cool signage. I love the vibe in here. Look at that. Oh. Free hand. And what do you get on the side? I've never seen this. Werther's Original. You can't go wrong with the Werther's Original. I used to eat these things by the dozen when I was little. I am so full. Look at this. I'm gonna finish it, but not on camera. I will say their pasta, their noodles are all made in-house. Everything is made to order. Super fresh ingredients. You get what you pay for. Worth every penny. If you're in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, you gotta get over to Grandpa Mac. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. I'm thoroughly pleased. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to tap that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified when we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to hit up theedibleadventures.com for official merch. Help support us until we can make money from these videos, and follow us on Instagram at theedibleadventures. And you know what time it is. This is the end screen. Links to other videos here and here. Little subscribe area there. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.